In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Freshsales. If you're brand new to Freshsales CRM, this walkthrough will help you understand the core areas of the platform, from your main dashboard to managing contacts, accounts, deals, conversations, and reports. Before you begin, make sure your Freshsales account is already created and that you're logged in. Start on the Sales Essentials dashboard. This is your main workspace and gives you a quick overview of what's happening in your sales environment. It's designed to help you see important information at a glance, so it's a great place to begin whenever you log in. From there, go to the Sales dashboard. This area gives you a broader view of sales performance and helps you monitor progress, opportunities, and trends. It's useful for staying focused on revenue-related activity and understanding how your pipeline is moving. Next, open the Activities dashboard. This section helps you keep track of tasks, meetings, calls, and follow-ups. It's especially helpful for making sure nothing slips through the cracks as you manage day-to-day sales work. Now go to Contacts. This is where Freshsales stores individual people you're communicating with, such as leads, prospects, or customers. Keeping contacts organized here makes outreach and follow-up much easier. Inside Contacts, you can either add contacts manually or import them in bulk. Adding contacts one by one is helpful when you're just getting started, while importing is better if you already have an existing list and want to save time. You can also bring in website leads. This is useful when people fill out forms on your website and you want those inquiries to flow into Freshsales, making lead capture more efficient. After that, go to Accounts. Accounts are typically the companies or organizations connected to your contacts. This helps you organize people under the businesses they belong to, which is especially useful in B2B sales. In the Accounts section, you can add an account manually or import accounts in bulk, depending on how much existing data you already have. Next, go to Deals. Deals represent active sales opportunities and help you track potential revenue through your pipeline. This is one of the most important sections for managing your sales process. Here, you can add a deal manually, or import records if you're moving data over from another system. Once your deals are in place, invite your team so everyone can collaborate, stay aligned, and manage shared sales activity more effectively. Then head to Conversations. This is where communication can be centralized, helping your team manage outreach and responses in one place. You'll then select your email provider. Freshsales supports Gmail, Microsoft Outlook, and Zoho. Gmail is a strong fit for Google Workspace users. Outlook works well for Microsoft-based environments, and Zoho is useful if your business already uses the Zoho ecosystem. Finally, go to Analytics and click New Report. This is where you can start building reports to measure performance and gain insights from your sales data. As you continue learning Freshsales, it helps to progress from navigation to records and imports, then into communication tools, pipelines, automation, and reporting. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.